The Lord told Jonah to spread the good word, but Jonah ran away like he hadn't heard. He hopped the ship going the other way, so the Lord sent a storm to make Jonah pay. Oh, oh, oh. The Lord cast a great wind upon the sea, high waves crashed hard and the ship did creak. Jonah said, the Lord must be after me, 'cause the ship's breaking up, starting to leak. Oh, the story of Jonah's not a fishy story, not a tale of a whale at all. Lord, need you like Jonah to spread his glory. Don't run, come answer his call. Jonah said, I'm wanted by the Lord. Save yourself, sailor boys, throw me overboard. So the sailors granted Jonah his last wish. Pretty soon he was lunch for a monster fish. Oh, oh, oh. 3 days, 3 nights in a whale's belly. It was dark, it was wet, it was real scary. Jonah said, hey Lord, I have changed my mind. If you spare my life, I'll work overtime. Oh, the story of Jonah's not a fishy story, not a tale of a whale at all. We don't need you like Jonah to spread his glory. Don't run, come answer his call. Then the whale spit Jonah out on the beach. Soon as he dried off, Jonah started